thought my idea of doing roast potatoes in the Ridge Monkey and sausages in onion gravy was so fab, he's now decided to steal my limelight and he's taken over. So, there you go, see?
I'm cooking again. Night 2. So, we've prepped the spuds. We've got new potatoes, halved and washed, and to be surprisingly, we've like trialled them in the Ridge Monkey, so we know exactly how many we can get in there. And it's a lot. It's quite a lot. We're surprised because we were going to do half boiled potatoes, but we're not going to bother now. We're just going to do them so they've been washed in a little dinky colander, drained. Half moon pan, amazing. We've talked about that before. Put them in there. We're going to boil them. Get them moist, soft, a little bit.
Are you putting any mixed herbs in?
No, we haven't got any. Funny enough, we haven't got any. We didn't bring any herbs. We don't do herbs.
That's a whole other video.
Yeah. Right, so yeah. Get the pan on. Get the potatoes going and the half moon pan. Did I mention it's half moon pan?
You did, you might have done a couple of times.
Yeah, I do like that pan. I do like it. Yeah.
Thanks for stealing
my
show.
I'm not affiliated because they don't make them anymore at all. So yeah, we'll get that going. Get the potatoes going. Gin and tonic are on the go.
Yeah, they are.
They're enjoying it. Yeah,
nice. It's nice. Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll get them
Tell
going.
you've had a couple.
Just a couple. 2. Only had 2. So we'll get them part boiled. Then we'll get them in some oil in the Ridge Monkey. Get them going, and then sausage. Brown the sausages off. Chop the onion up. Gravy. Onion gravy. Reduce that down. Get some peas and carrots on. Yeah, we got some peas and carrots.
Yeah, we have.
Tinned.
Yeah.
Tinned peas and carrots in the other half moon pan. The other half of that makes a full circle. Yeah, 1 ring, 2 pans. 1 ring, 2 pans. Never forget, you're saving gas. Yeah, you're saving money. Half moon pans. Get yourself some of them.
It's alright. I'll shut him up at some point.
Show them the pan. Yeah. 1 ring, 2 pans. You can't go wrong. It's a no-brainer. Yeah. Come back later when we get them sausages browning.
I'll shut him up now. Yeah.
So we threw away our microfiber
No.
chopping board. What are they called? Micro.
It's not microfiber.
Something micro. Isn't it?
Yeah.
We chucked away the white chopping board that we had. Yeah. So, and we said we'll forget about replacing it, didn't we? And did we?
Yeah.
Yeah. We haven't got one, have we? So
No.
we're using what we've had for quite a while, but we never used it as a chopping board. Is the Go Westy chopping board that goes over the sink, and it fits nicely. Yeah, follow me. Over the sink, and it stays there round the tap, but we never ever use it as a chopping board. But because we haven't bought a new board, we're using it as a chopping board, and it's a great bit of kit. But if you're for a few years, and yeah, it's good. Camper Van Culture on their website, it's on there, reasonable money. It's a good bit of kit. Again, it's only really necessary to you if you've got a Westie, because it doesn't work on anything else but a Westie. So T25 Westphalia, if you've got one, this is the board to have.
We will do a tour of the van at some point.
Yeah,
we have been asked by one of our subscribers.
We're going to do a tour of the bus when it's a bit cleaner and it's a bit drier. But yeah, the Go Westie chopping board for the Westphalia is a good bit of kit. I mean, to be fair, you don't have to have a Westie, do you? You can use it for any van. It's just got a cutout for the sink. Still alright to use.
Yeah.
So that's the onion prepped. Potatoes are on. we'll get the sausages on in a bit. Right, potatoes are ready. Drain them bad boys. Get them drained. Give them a shake. We're running out of space here. Let's my sausages keep up.
Can't just get your oil pot.
Yeah, if you got that. Ridge monkey spuds in. I have washed my hands.
Yes.
Oil.
Whoa, bad boy.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's plenty.
Do that. Get some bit of seasoning. But I can't put any. We normally put a few mixed herbs on, but shan't brought any. The lady. Have you? Bit of salt and pepper.
I forgot. I brought paprika.
Yeah. So yeah, new potatoes, part boiled. Bit of oil. Ridge monkey. Let's see how this goes. Never done it before.
Always a first.
Always a first. Kettle's boiling for the stock. Take that off for now. Get that going again.
Take two.
Right, this is brand new. This, so yeah, Ridge monkey on.
Ooh.
Cue the kettle. That's ready, yeah, for stock.
Yeah.
Right, yeah, it's on now. Let's have a look how the roasters are doing. Nice. Now can I flip it?
No.
Can you not?
No.
Why?
Well.
Try it quick.
Go on.
What if I do it over the pan?
Okay. Oh,
No.
yeah, oil spillage.
Yeah, oil spillage. But if you do it over the pan, it's fair dinkum, isn't it? Yeah. Onions all nice
What's
and
this?
soft. That's gravy. Stock. It's not stock, is it? It's gravy.
No.
Yeah, gravy. Yeah. Get these soft first. Get these sausages fully browned. Add that. Bit more water. Build it up. Reduce it down. Because there's no gravy granules. So we'll have to reduce it down. Tasty.
Well,
Yeah. And we'll eat about 10. This here as well. Let's just. In any camper van, it's a must. Fire Angel, smoke alarm. Gotta have one. Definitely, you've got to have them. Seriously, got to have one of these. If you've got a camper van, you're camping, you've got to have one of these. Keep it in, keep it safe. It's up there, it's out of the way. We've got a Hebespatcher heater that's like
Hebespatcher.
Hebespatcher heater. That's what? How old's the van? 28 years old. You know, although we had it serviced 2 years ago, you still got to keep things safe.
You do.
Definitely. Come to me. So we try flipping the Ridge monkey with the oil in. No, it doesn't work. It splashes out everywhere. So we're turning them with the tongs and they're cooking up a treat. The roasts are doing really well. In the Ridge monkey, no mess.
Roast potatoes without an oven.
Roast potatoes without an oven. It's amazing, isn't it? Yeah.
That is one of the best buys we've done.
Yeah.
Is that?
Absolutely. But you can, you know, there's nothing to stop you from giving them a little shake. Shake, rattle and roll, you know. Get that oil over them, but Yeah, don't flip them. Don't flip the roasts.
Come here. Go on.
So roast is nearly ready.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is ready. Yeah. So to keep it warm and simmering, stack it. Yeah. Like I said the other night.
Stack it and pack
stack
it.
it. Ridge monkey. Then get the pan on. Crank it up.
Look at that
Full
bald
heat.
head.
So we're keeping everything warm, keeping everything cooking. So we've got 3 pans on the go, 2 rings. Yeah. I keep saying it. The Ridge Monkey is so versatile. You just can't believe how
I think
versatile
we
it
need
is.
to rename our
Yeah.
videos
I am
to
not affiliated to the
Two
Ridge
Ring
Monkey.
Man.
I'm not affiliated to the Ridge Monkey whatsoever. I bought it from Hull Angling. As I said in my previous video, don't know him. We live in Preston. We're nowhere near Hull. It's just an amazing bit of... Yeah. So there we have it. Sausage and onion gravy with roast potatoes, Ridge Monkey, peas and carrots. A bit of pepper.
Thank you.
Want a bit of salt?
No, I'm alright.
No salt. Me
I'm
neither.
good.
So yeah, let's have a little taste test, yeah?
Chicken.
Crispy roasties. And this is the first time we've done these, so we're
It
not
is.
we're not
No, we're not faking
faking it.
Has it worked?
Up top. Yeah, so it's that easy. Ridge Monkey, roast potatoes, sausage,
Wow.
onion gravy, peas and carrots. It's like being at home. Simple. But yeah, we've got all that to wash up.
Wow, someone else.
Amazing.
Good. Them roasts have worked out really well, haven't they?
Yeah,
Ridge
they have.
Monkey.
They're so much better.
New
than what I
potatoes
expected.
roasted. Huh?
Yeah, it's probably one of my most favourite teas that we've had in the camper.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Lovely.
Mhm.